Hi, welcome to our remote alert demo area. For this demo, I'm going to show you an actual remote alert account. On this remote alert account, this client has three cameras. He's got a reception camera, he's got a sales office camera, and he's got a shop camera. And I'll quickly let you just see each one working. This is remote alert using a Ycam, indoor Ycam, overlooking reception area at a storage company, a self-storage company in Scotland. If we go back to our page, we can go to second camera, which is actually in a sales office. Inside a sales office where it's a new housing estate being built, and people go to this office if they want more information or want to buy their house. So anybody going in and out this door, an image is saved by using the indoor wide camera. Here we are now in a shop demo. This is inside a jeweler shop in Scotland, and anybody going in and out of this door gets automatically the image is snapped from the Ycam motion detection. So here we see on this day, the 12th of May, at this time we see the people that have just either visiting the shop or leaving the shop. So that gives you an idea of the three cameras that we have working for this account. What's interesting, you'll see the camera type, it's a Ycam. The three cameras concerned are three indoor cameras, but Ycam are now launching their outdoor version of their camera system, so you can have these cameras outside your house or outside your office or wherever you want to view something where you need outdoor housing for your camera. As you see with the camera status, we see that the cameras are active, so they're fully working. Now, because these cameras are quite busy cameras, there's lots of movement going in and out of shops and in and out of the reception areas at storage companies and things like that. The client has chosen and selected to take the 5-day option. So he selected 5 days of storage of all images. So all images over a 5-day period will be automatically saved onto Remote Alert. For this, he's taken our standard package, which allows you to have 100 megabytes of storage space on our servers, on Remote Alert servers. And so, as you see, there's 100 megabytes for reception, the camera, 100 megabytes for sales office, and 100 megabytes for the shop demo. Now, over this 5-day period, the reception area has used 28% of their allocated space, so well within the correct allocation. And again, the sales office being slightly busier, it's 43%. But as you'll see here with the shop demo, because there's so many more people going in and out of the shop, he's already over his allocated space, and he's now at 144%. However, because it's the one account, each camera has 100 megabytes. The combined total is 216 megabytes. So for the three cameras combined, he's used so far the 72% of allocated space. So still well within the limit. Now, should that start getting closer to 100%, then the client will be sent an email to say, just to let you know, you're nearly at your maximum for the allocated space for over that 5-day period. If start saving some of your saved incidents onto your desktop, onto remote alert application before they're automatically deleted. So they'll keep. So he will still keep images for example, for the 4th of 5 days, and obviously with more alerts coming in, day 5, he'll be receiving the remote alert hosted images services. So really, that gives you an idea on sort of the space used if you had your own remote alert account. And again, if you go into the top of remote alert there, it has it in graph form, so very clearly we see 9.3%, 14.3%, 49.0%, and he's still got an allocation of 27.4% on remote alert. But most must emphasize that very important is that like if whether you had a digital video recorder and selected 5 days, 10 days, 20 days, 30 days, once you hit your allocation, then obviously the first lot of images will be deleted to allow you to carry on saving new images on your account. So really that gives you a sort of rough understanding how space used is very important. Now there is other options on Remote Alert where you can increase your space by paying more per month fee, but majority of users so far, and we anticipate in the future, will be going for our standard package, which allows them to save up to 100 megabytes. Now whether that's over a 5-day period, 10-day period or 30-day period, all depends on how much activity is in front of the Wicam and has been detected and saved onto as snapshots onto your Remote Alert account. So that gives you a little bit of an idea on space allocation used on Remote Alert. Thank you very much. Bye.